Hi, I'm Daniel Milam with Pavers. We're here in the Central Hall at World of Concrete, booth 5611. This is our brand new 5700D, the latest generation of the 5700 series. It just came out this year, and it has a whole bunch of new features, including a new control system, the Paver slipform controls. It has a new control panel on top. It has a new switch that will jog all three posts up at once. On our previous models, we had individual controls for each post. Additionally, for vibrators, we have the familiar individual control knobs for each vibrator, but now we have a global control that can increase or decrease vibration across all the vibrators while they remain individually relative to one another. That can help you when you're starting and stopping more. There's also easier access to the toolbox. We have shovel holders on the front charge hopper, and many other small new features. If you want to learn more about all these new features and hear everything in detail, please visit our website at www.powercurbers.com.